Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons. Today we're going to do our patron in review for last week, and these are the titles of the videos on our Patreon channel. So if they sound exciting, come on over. If you haven't ever joined us, it's $5 a month and you can access all the different videos that I make. If you are a patron and you've forgotten to watch, don't forget. I know how sidetracked you can get. Come on over and watch the videos. Okay, so the first one I did on Monday was called Just a Little Extra and what that can do for you. The second one is What's Your Breaking Point? What's your breaking point? The third one is Skipping Jobs. Thursdays was Taking Care of Yourself, and Fridays was Be Beautiful. So I hope you come on over and watch those. I would love to have you join us if you want to. If you've been thinking about it, toying with the idea, come on over. What's keeping you from coming over? And be part of this more intimate group. If this is something that you love, you could share it with your friends too. That's another good thing. So I love to grow the area, grow the Patreon channel so that there'll be more of you there. When I have openings for my FlyLady mentoring, my personal mentoring, that's where I'm announcing it now. So that's another advantage of being over there. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.